Alrighty, good morning, everyone. How you doing? Happy Orange Out Friday. Very exciting stuff. I have no idea what I'm wearing on my head, but it's orange, and that's what matters. We all wore orange out today in support of our volleyball and football teams and other sports that have stuff going on this week, especially tonight. And I really love whenever we do these dress up days and lots of people participate because it just shows, I don't know, a lot of school spirit, a lot of school unity. And some days it may feel or seem kind of silly, What could possibly be silly about what I'm wearing right now? And today we're going to talk about building positive relationships and connections and kind of unifying as a school. On campus, we have a club called the Promise Club, which probably has a couple of your friends in it and is sponsored by Miss Johnson. And I'm going to let them introduce themselves and what they're about and what we're going to do today.
Hey y'all, today we're going to be talking about the Promise Club.
The focus of this group is to enhance positivity and unity.
We support with our school's vision. We envision a school where relationships drive students' learning. Everyone deserves to feel welcome and safe. Here's an activity that we would love everyone to participate in.
To support with friends and positive connection with peers.
In advisory today, take 2 minutes to connect with a peer. Walk up to them and say, "Hello, my name is," then ask them what are they looking forward to doing on Columbus break.
Yay for healthy connections. This Friday, we are supporting Orange Out to build campus unity.
Go Longhorns!
All right, so as they said, the Promise Club is here to promote unity and togetherness. We can't get through high school alone. Heck, we can't even get through this life alone. And so it's important that we learn how to build and keep connections. And so many of you are good at this already, especially with the friends that you know really well. But how often do you take the opportunity to meet someone new? And that's what today's activity is hopefully going to promote. So you heard their instructions. You're going to go up to some folks that you don't know or don't know as well and introduce yourself, and at the very least, talk about what you're going to do over fall break, which, by the way, fall break is from October 10th to the 14th. We have a 5-day weekend ahead of us in a couple weeks. So today I want you to go up to someone you don't know or don't know as well as you might want to in your class.
But Mr. Hall, that's awkward and weird.
What if it's weird?
Hey man, if I can wear this ridiculous thing on my head and put it in a video that is sent out to hundreds of people, you can go up to one person and talk to them. Sure, it might be awkward, sure, it might be weird, but that's life, man. A lot of the times, the things that are worth doing and worthwhile, like meeting new people, can be awkward and weird at first, but that is how we grow. So I want you to go up to someone you don't know or don't know as well as you'd like in your class, introduce yourself, and start with talking to each other about what you're planning to do on the upcoming 5-day weekend. And if you don't want to talk about that, or if you run out of things to talk about, you can talk about maybe something else. And here are some suggestions. What activities are you involved in here on campus? What do you think the qualities of a good friend are? That was our question from Wednesday. You can talk about what your plans are after graduation, what shows or movies you've enjoyed recently, maybe make some recommendations. Talk about the most interesting place that you've ever traveled to or traveled to recently, or maybe talk about the best meal that you've had recently. These are just some suggestions in case you need something to talk about. My challenge to you is to meet 3 new people, or if you know everybody in your class, learn 3 new things about 3 people. So that is, let me do some calculations in my head. That's 9 things. You should learn 9 new things today during advisory. 3 things for 3 people. You never know. You could be meeting your new best friend and you didn't even know they were there the whole time. Weirder things have happened. So spend today in advisory talking to each other, getting to know each other a little bit better, and do this yourself. Have the initiative to get up and go talk to someone. It takes a lot of bravery. It takes getting over some awkwardness or getting over the feeling of awkwardness, but it's so worth it. So that is that. That's what we're doing today in advisory. That's the challenge that the Promise Club and I are putting forward to you today. That is all from me. Be good to yourself and others, and I'll see you next week.